Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let me move my light. Today I am going to be making another WoW battle pit, and his name is Bog Hopper. Now it is a new skin to an old frog, and I have my clay here. This is red and yellow mixed together to give it a more yellowish tint. I did add a whole lot of yellow to just a tiny bit of red. This is blue and white, and it still has some of the streaks in it, which is fine because that's the way the legs look on the frog. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the legs first, and I'm going to roll this out. And I think that's good enough, and I'm going to chop it into 4 pieces. Too short, too long. I just cut off the excess here, and that looks good. You need a little bit more of a shave, and these will be the back legs. So there's that. Now just want to get these cut out so I know about what size I'm looking at to make my frog. And once I get the body done, then I'll add the feet. So, little Bog Hopper. What a weird name. But I'm super excited for BFA to come out because it'll be my birthday. So it's like a birthday present for me to get BFA. And I already pre-ordered it, so I already have it, but I can't wait for it to go live on my birthday. It'll be fun. I've already created a void elf. Super fun. So what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to figure this out as I talk. I guess I'll just start start out with a ball and roll it this way to make like a kind of like a plug shape, and then shape him from there. I want to give him a nice pointed rear end and kind of flatten his body out a little bit. Just a little. He has a little bit of a butt, so we're going to squeeze this back part and kind of blend that into his top. And now his head, we're going to give him a little nose like this. Just pinching it ever so slightly, and we want his eyes to come up, so we're gonna do that. Bring some from the bottom up to add to his mouth. Just pull the clay with your finger, and there's that. I'm gonna push this back, just shape it. Smooth out your edges. Okay. Smooth out this fold with my finger. Okay. Now, I'm gonna flatten it just a little and then push it back to give it some thickness. And then a little bit of a point towards the tip. And blend out the fold. Okay, so there's our basic body shape. Just basic at the moment. I want to bring in his booty a little bit and kind of flatten back here. Okay, I'm gonna use my baller tool, the medium one that I have, and make the indentions for his eyes. And they're kind of off-centered, not really. We're just gonna do like this, and then kind of bring it out a little bit like that. So I think that is good enough. I feel like if I fiddle with it too much, it's just gonna mess it up more. So I'm just gonna take my thumb and blend in my little creases I find. There's a few, not that many. I don't want to use that because it'll create creases. There we go. There's one right. So now that we have the body done, we're going to do his eyes with some black clay. And I'm just going to roll this out. Cut it to the size I think I'm going to need it. Just roll it into a little ball. And then take that ball and set it in the socket. Roll this in my hand. Make a little ball and set it in my socket. Okay, there's his little eyes. Super cute, super adorable. Okay, now I'm gonna take my baller tool and figure out where I want his legs to go. Now one goes here, and I'm going in pretty deep so that it sticks really well. Okay, same thing over here. Alright, we got those, and the other legs go towards his booty. So we're going to put some indentions back here. Pretty deep there. And get the legs going. Okay, I'm going to shape his butt just a little while I'm back here. Blend in some edges. Alright, now we have the legs ready. We're going to round off an end of our blue here and then flatten the other end like so. And then we will make 3 toes. 1, 2, and 3. Like so, just 2 little lines and you got your toes. Okay, so I'm gonna roll it in my hand a little bit to make it round off. It's gonna be a little difficult with the middle one. Okay, and we got that. I'm going to take some of my scrap and add little balls to the end of his toes. Now we're going to do his face, and for that I'm going to take my X-Acto blade and from here go across like that into there. Do it again. Go across and to there. And then I'm going to use my little tiny baller tool and give him some little nose holes. Like so. And there is our blog hopper. Now I'm going to have to do a little bit of adjusting with his legs. As you can tell, it was a little difficult to get him to stand up. And I do have to do some blending because of how difficult it was. But I'm trying to keep the feet straight because once it's baked, it'll stand up. And I'm going to get some aluminum foil and put under him to help support him standing. But I have a little bit of touch up to do. I'm gonna bake him like this. I'm gonna put some aluminum foil under him to give him some support, and we shall see what he looks like when he's done baking. And one last thing that I forgot. Let's see. It's on this side. He has a black spot right there. So we're gonna take this little piece of black clay and give him his little mole. And there we go. There's our blog hopper. Alright guys, there he is, out of the oven and ready for battle. He is just so adorable and so cute. I had to glue on his little toe because it popped off when I brought him out of the oven. But other than that, he is ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and I hope you'll stick around for more BFA battle pets and other craft tutorials that I plan on making in the future. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye.